How to redeem secret codes in Clash Royale. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can redeem secret codes here in Clash Royale. These codes will unlock you exclusive rewards if you want to redeem secret codes here in Clash Royale. Here's exactly how you can do it step by step. First things first, once you are in Clash Royale, you are going to need to make sure that your account is associated with Supercell Store ID. To do this, click on the three lines on your Clash Royale game and then click on Supercell ID. Just make sure you log in or create a Supercell ID according to your own choice. Then just close your game and open any browser you want and type in the URL store.supercell.com, just like this store. Once you are in this website, make sure you log in your account and then click on Clash Royale store. Just go all the way at the very bottom and you will find this redeem a store code. Just enter your code right here and done. If you find this video helpful for you guys, consider subscribing and leave a like, comment, and thanks for watching.